the next zero se restart moment in my life was when I met Shreya Ghoshal. Though she was much younger to me, but so much I've learned from her, and it's amazing. Her restart zero moment beginning also started with this legend. So Shreya Ghoshal, can we have you on stage? A big round of applause.
This is a very interesting story. I just remembered as I met her. I was making a song. There was a singer singing. There was a music composer there. But there were some issues. And I remembered Sanjay Bansali telling me that he had recorded a song with a wonderful singer, wonderful girl, he said, a few days back. And because of that problem, I immediately called Sanjay. I said, where is that girl you told me? Where does she live? I was in Warsaw. I said, send her now. She came and she went on mic and she sang the first line and I fell in love with her. It was unbelievable, which now you know.
हर बार ये गाती है, we all fall in love with her.
Oh my God. Like how he said, but
श्रेया, अभी हमको थोड़ा हिंदी में बात करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? चलो, वहाँ से रिक्वेस्ट आया।
हाँ,
आप बंगाली है ना, इसलिए टेस्ट है ये।
मैं तो यही कहूँगी कि मेरे लिए तो सारा ये ख्वाब सा था, ड्रीम ऐसा ही लग रहा था, surreal, because when I met him first and the first impression of वो किसी person का पहला impression ही सबसे important होता है ना, so I felt there was so much passion, energy, and a childlike energy which you see right now also. That was so amazing to see from a person who has got a body of work of what order. And मैं बहुत young थी, naive थी, लेकिन इतना प्रोत्साहन डे वन में, वो पहली लाइन से मैं कांच के पीछे देख रही हूँ कि सर ऐसे उछल रहे हैं, नाच रहे हैं, सो हैप्पी. और वो मतलब किसी भी आर्टिस्ट के लिए सबसे बड़ा इंस्पिरेशन, मोटिवेशन और आशीर्वाद होता है. सो आई थिंक ही हैज़ बीन दैट फॉर नॉट जस्ट मी, फॉर मैनी मैनी आर्टिस्ट, सिंगर्स, कंपोजर्स, एक्टर्स, एंड वी लव यू सर, वी लव यू सो मच. जो मैंने इतने सालों में बहुत कुछ सीखा है, हाउ टू सिंग रियली ऑन माइक फ्रॉम द ग्रेट्स लाइक यू, शांतनु दा. आई लर्न फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम व्हाट इज़ एक्सप्रेशन. मतलब मैं बहुत छोटी थी उस वक्त, तो इतना आइडिया नहीं था. मुझे पता था कि सुर में गाना चाहिए, लय ताल होना चाहिए. व्हाट इज़ एक्सप्रेशन इज़ व्हाट दिस मैन टॉट मी. पीयू बोले का जो वो पीयू बोले, वो हंसी भी उन्होंने सिखाई हुई है. प्रदीप दा वाज देयर एंड this was so cinematic and that made so much of difference for the actress Vidya Balan ji to enact. And later I understood कि कितना value है इन सब चीज़ों का.
विनोद चोपड़ा का जब लैंडमार्क आएगा, एक मैं एज की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, we have to do a concert celebrating his film songs. We have to do it.
Thank you.
We have to do this.
I know that landmark is coming soon, so correct?
And I must tell her that her singing, because that was also a zero moment for Vidya Balan. She had never acted before.
Correct.
That song, the way she sung, helped Vidya act.
Absolutely.
That's the important thing. She had.
You held all of us together in that moment. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Shreya. Thank you so much.